What, Daddy?
Good morning. Good morning, my Louie and my baby Seline. Is Louie sitting next to you?
Yeah.
I think he just wants a cuddle.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's so sad they were the one calling me.
Yes, yeah. He just wants cuddle. Ay, gosh! Good morning. Good morning. Sinusundan niya si baby
He
Seline.
wants cuddle.
He wants
He wants cuddle.
Does he want cuddle? Say, good morning, guys.
Me.
Gumising kami ni baby Seline, guys. Wala dito si Daddy siya kasi Ate Paris. He's been looking for Daddy and Ate Paris. We'll try the video call. Where do you think they are, Lang? Go. Where do you think they are?
Whoa. Hello.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Is that Lenny?
Yeah, I'm Lily. This dog is so cute. He didn't want to cuddle me.
What are you doing, Lenny?
Us on my dad and my mommy.
You want to color in?
I'm going home.
Ah. Are you feeling okay, Lenny?
Yeah.
Is your nose okay?
Is he a skin now?
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Okay.
Bye-bye,
What time?
Daddy.
What time do we need to be there?
10.
Ah, okay, cool. We'll come nowish then. I love you.
Love you.
Love you, Lenny.
Ow.
See you soon.
See you soon. Pumunta pala sa shop si Daddy Mike. Bumili sila ng kape na Ate Paris. Hindi nagsabi dito kasi... Ayun! She's playing with Louie! Ayun! Ululu!
So, Dada,
To Daddy! To Dada!
don't put your feet. Where are we going?
We're going to... Where are we going, Ate?
Where are we going, Mom?
The cinema! Yeah! We're going to see a movie. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, come on. You ready? Good morning, guys! I'm with the fam. Nagmamadali kami. Can we use that, Daddy? I think we can use that one, yeah? Or no? Maybe not. We'll use the other one. Here, honey. Nagmamadali kami, guys, kasi late na kami.
Press quick.
Good girl, Baba. Good job.
I just have to wait for 8.
Hope not. Ding, ding. Nandito kami sa elevator, guys. We are going to Reading Cinemas in Newmarket because Universal Pictures Australia once again invited us for the premiere of Kung Fu Panda 4. So hindi kami nag-vlog kanya sa bahay kasi nagmamadali kami, guys. Yay! You excited? Yeah, we're already late. Come on.
It's not working.
Oh, it's not working. It's okay. Then just go.
There's our baby up there.
That's right. Yeah.
Now we're gonna walk up.
So here's the fam. Ang escalator ay hindi nag-work. Okay, Diyos ko. Ang taas pa naman. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come this way, come on. Oh, this is nice. We're in. It just started. Oh, no.
You, if you think about it. Hey, will you two be quiet? I'm trying to concentrate here. Wait, if Mike goes in her voice, then who are you? Poe's inner voice. How many voices do I have in there?
You do not want to know.
This dirt is itchy. Just love. What am I gonna be? Are we alone in the universe?
That's not as awesome, right?
Universe?
Is that you?
Ate, how was it? Good, very good. We'll take a photo here. Smile.
I don't know, I'm thinking chips. Switch if you want, the same. I guess what?
That's the same, Baba. That's the same ice cream.
On that one? On this one?
You like one?
Yeah. Yummy. Yummy. Who's the lucky girl? Did you like the movie? Yes? The panda? We're just gonna wait for our elevator. Overall, guys, I love the movie. Sobrang ganda niya. Did you like the movie, Daddy?
Yes.
Did you like the movie?
Me.
Anya meme.
I think I'll say 10 out of 10.
Go on.
Oh, yeah.
Quickly.
I'd say 10 out of 10 as well. Actually, I enjoyed it very much.
Actually, 100 out.
Enjoyed it very much. Oh, she your hand. So, balik na kami sa sasakyan, guys. Basement.
Let's start here.
Follow Daddy. Going up. We're at UYG Tacos Burritos,
Oh,
guys.
there's something.
The lunch committee.
Okay, Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Actually, late lunch
Right.
na siya
Now you're
kasi
right. It's Red
1:40
Bull.
na ng hapon. Ngayon lang kami
Avocado
nakarating dito.
sandwich.
Actually, we're in Canon Hill, guys. Ito yung malapit sa bahay.
Avocado
So, we're not
sandwich.
sure far from home.
Sorry.
We're just waiting for our order.
Me, Daddy. It was sandwich. Daddy, me.
Two punch.
Yeah. Hindi ko na alam kung anong mga pangalan nito, guys.
Think you're not wrong.
Chocolate. Daddy.
Let's eat.
What's that one there, Bobby?
I think it's beef, yeah? Oh, okay, this
Cheesecake.
is the beef.
This one's pulled pork. I got chicken.
This one's chicken.
Yeah, it's ice chicken. It's supposed to be two kids' meals.
This one. What's this one?
I love chocolates.
A few moments later.
Really?
Probably.
He's going out. So last night, Louis had his last vaccination. So now he's allowed to go out. And kanina na sa labas kami, bumili si Daddy Mike nito sa vet store. Ayan, oo, nilagay sa kanya. Ganyan. So, he can now go out. Nakakaalis naman siya dito sa bahay, pero hanggang sa baba lang. But ngayon, he's allowed to like walk now.
But guys, he's not allowed to walk too far.
Yeah. But, you know, at least, pwede na siyang
Can I go back leg?
ilabas sa, hindi lang hanggang driveway. Okay, go! It's now 3:40 ng hapon and baby Seline is now sleeping. Nagnanap siya kasi in 2 hours? No, in 1 hour and a half time ay aalis tayo kasi magdi-dinner tayo with friends. Si Daddy Mike, nakita niyo kanina, tsaka si Ate Paris, lumabas na sila para ilakad-lakad si Louie. Kasi very excited sila na very excited sila na makalabas si Louie from dito sa, apart from sa driveway lang. So, si Daddy Mike agad bumili ng leash para madala daw niya si Louie bukas pag dinap niya sa Ate Paris. Kain tayo, guys. Tingnan nyo. Mini cucumber. Ang asin. Harap. Si Baby Seline ay pinatulog ko sa kwarto nila ni Ate Paris. Kasi alam niyo ba, sobrang ano siya, milestone talaga siya. Kasi hindi talaga namin siya pinano. But it's just very sudden na si Daddy Mike sabi niya, oh, how about we put both kids sa kanilang kwarto. So, hindi pa nakakaalam, guys. Since pinanganak ko si Ate Paris, which was March in 2018, Daddy Mike and I never slept in our bed na kami lang dalawa. Because we just decided na mag-co-sleep kasi we feel like it's very comforting for me and very comforting for the kids. And I breastfeed both of them. So when I had Ate Paris, katabi ko siya. And then dumating si Baby Seline. And again, the same thing, the same way kung paano kami ni Ate Paris when Ate Paris was a baby. Kung mai-imagine nyo guys, yung bed namin, kaming apat. Si Ate Paris naman, minsan natutulog siya sa kwarto niya, wala namang problema. But in the middle of the night, nagigising siya, tapos nag-move siya sa bed namin. But most of the time talaga, kaming apat, nasa the same bed. And si Daddy Mike minsan dito sa couch natutulog kasi pag last siyang pumasok sa kwarto, nakikita niya wala ng space kasi, you know, mabata, nandun ako sa gilid. But that was our choice. The other night, sabi ni Daddy Mike na, patulog natin si Baby Seline sa kabilang kwarto silang dalawa. We'll see, kasi hindi pa namin talaga na-patry before. Kagabi, sa kabilang kwarto silang dalawa. They fell asleep, and very first time in the past 6 years na natulog kami ni Daddy Mike sa bed na kami lang dalawa. Oh my God. Like, you got no idea na, obviously, hindi ako guys, kasi iniisip ko pa rin na baka umiyak si Baby Seline, and we can't keep the door open kasi nga nandito si Louie, diba? Ayaw namin pumasok si Louie sa mga bedrooms. So, dito lang siya sa lounge room namin. So, I closed the door and yung both doors. Pero ang utak ko guys, nag-iisip ako kasi sabi ko, oh my God, baka umiyak si Baby Seline, hindi ko marinig, ito, ganyan. And then parang relax ako ni Daddy Mike. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's okay, Seline is now 2.5. And if ever man na magising siya or whatnot, she can open the door and she can always come here. At hindi naman siya totally madilim kasi may light from the outside ba. Nung pinatulog ko si Baby Seline sa kwarto, nakatulog din ako. So pagkalabas ko, anong oras na yun, dumiretso na ako sa kwarto. Si Daddy Mike was still watching TV. And hinintay niya lang pala ako guys na makalabas ako ng kabilang kwarto. Ako, diretso na ako sa bed. And si Daddy Mike turned off the TV straight away. Sumunod siya. And then, ako, very sleepy na ako ba kasi nakatulog na ako with Baby Seline. Tapos kinakausap ako ni Daddy Mike, sabi niya, I still remember this, when, nung first time daw na wala pa daw kaming mga kids, na we have the bed all to ourselves, na walang kasalo, ganyan. Like, it's not bad, sabi ni Daddy Mike. Don't feel guilty. It's not bad to have like a space for ourselves again. Kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's not that parang we're drifting apart kaming dalawa because we still manage to make it work. Like, we choose to make it work na yun bang wala kaming masyadong us time kasi obviously we have the 2 kids. Minsan kasi in a relationship, hindi mo namamalaya na we actually need time for ourselves as well, like space na tayo lang dalawa kasi you're a parent now, you're a mom, you're a dad, and yung focus ay dapat yung mga kids. But now that they are starting to grow older, you know, we're starting to get that space now. Send na si Daddy Mike ng photos. Tingnan natin. Wala, pumunta sila ng school. Tingnan nyo. Ay, super cute. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ah, beautiful. Tingnan nyo si Louie. Tingnan nyo, oh. Super cute. Hi again, guys. We are heading out for our dinner. Daddy's already drinking his beer. I'll show you his outfit kasi hindi na ipakita kanina eh. Be? Iba rin. Honey, show me my outfit. Your outfit, babe? Show me your outfit. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Ate, stand here, ate. Oh, ito pa ulan-ulan niya, anak. Pagilantan ka, day. Yeah. Show me, daddy, babe, my outfit. I'll show my outfit. Show his outfit. So I just changed my blazer. Kanina, it was like pinkish purple na ano, parang malaki siyang blazer. But now, I changed it to this colorful blazer. Here's my girls. Do I look like a princess? Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
We're gonna go now.
You like pencils.
Thank you, my beautiful girl.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna put some back seat, yeah?
Lini, go in. 1, 2, ready, go.
Yan ang aking spot.
And ang aking hair ay ganyan ko na lang, guys. Kasi gusto ko sana siyang girl kanina. Oh, thank you, baby. You're like a princess. So actually, you are my princess. You're not like a princess. You are Mama's princess.
You are my pencil. You're my pencil. You're that pencil.
My princess. Ikaw, ate. You are my angel.
I love the angel.
We're here now, guys. Oh, there it is. Wala, first time mo nakapunta dito, guys. Ayan, oh, marami silang mga shops. Na, daddy, oh, so cute. There's the bags and everything there lang, oh. Ala, ang cute ng mga damit. Ala, alams na. Ala, I didn't know this existed, guys. Ala, pupunta ako dito next time. Ala, daddy, I have a new place now.
Come. Ito lang na, kara.
Diyan kami pupunta, guys. Hi, Dilla. What's going on? Harry?
Paris. Do you want noodle or
Here now, guys. Drawing for more. Thank you. Yay.
Ate.
Ayan, magka-hotpot kami, guys. Yes, baby. When it's soup na. Na-excite ako bigla, guys. Tingnan niyo yan. May paan ng manok. Yeah, I want that chicken feet.
What soup is this one? Spicy?
Hi, guys. It's Amy, Ashay.
Oh my god, I wish.
Show me.
How was your
It's so cool.
you like welcome?
Okay.
Because my auntie and my cousins Vietnamese. Yeah, my uncle married a Vietnamese lady, and she did a lot of welcome.
And look at this. Hang on.
So you come in.
Yay!
Okay. Let's pack down and eat.
Okay.
Yeah, for my uncle's birthday, and there was a board that
Wow.
wasn't let alone.
Look at the noodles. No. Oh my god. Wow. Why?
So in which bra? In which bra?
In which one, Bob?
In non-spicy. Okay, sure. So we ordered two one. Do you want to try pick one? Okay. Just stir for a while and then it cooks for 2 minutes. Yeah.
Thank you.
Fun?
That was pretty cool.
No.
Jelly.
Jelly.
Try it. Yeah, we're done with dinner. Let's go. Let's go, kids. The Paris' gift from Ate and hi Ate to my vlog.
I will bury with my tummy.
Tingnan niyo itong dalawa, guys.
Ladies, I push.
Matutulog na lang eh, nagpapaanak pa. The baby is out!
My turn.
My turn. Hey, come on now. Hey, we gotta read book now. Gotta read the Bible, okay? Say good night now.
I'm fun, baby.
Dito sila matutulog ngayon sa kwarto nila, guys.
Good night.
Say good night, guys.
Thank you for watching this vlog. Oh,
Alright, sleeping time now because it's already late.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Baby.
Bye, guys.